Hey everybody, I want to talk to you guys about investment properties. I recently had a client. Well, I have a client right now, and kind of contemplating maybe selling the house or even renting the house out. And one thing that I would strongly advise, if you're thinking about renting the house out, really gather as much information as you can about renting the property out, as far as what expenses there are. Of course, you have your mortgage that you have to pay for. If you have a mortgage, you have any kind of HOA fees you might have to pay for, any other kind of like solar payments that you might have to pay for it, and think about the maintenance costs for these homes and stuff as well. As far as maybe if you have a pool, you might want to hire someone to maintain it for you while you're renting it out, because if you let the tenants do it, it might not be kept up the way that you really would want it to be. Plus, it's not their property, so they might not maintain it well enough. So, equipment might be destroyed. Things might happen to it that you're not really looking forward to as far as expenses. So, any kind of repairs that might need to be done to a pool if it's not being maintained correctly. So, and if you're going to rent it out, I would strongly advise making sure that you're making a profit every month for your property. And the reason why is if you're not making any money, then if something happens to the house, like let's say you have like a water leak, let's say that the people move out, you have to replace the flooring, they move out and you have to repaint the house. Of course, you get their deposit. However, there's certain things that might be money out of your pocket that you are not in control of, which means that if you're not making a profit on a monthly basis, you're basically paying that out of pocket. If you're making a profit, you might lose that profit if you're not making that big of a spread, but at least it would help cover the expenses that you might have. So just something to think about. If you're looking at buying or selling a home, please reach out to me. Also, if you're looking for someone to help you out with projects around the house, or just looking for other business professionals, I do network with a lot of professionals out there, and I would love to be a resource for you to get connected with people that can maybe help you out with your next project, or with any kind of other needs that you need a small business owner to help you out with. So reach out. You guys have a good day. Bye.